In this episode, we are going to learn the 19th strategy. The name of the strategy is Take Away the Firewood Under the Cooking Pot. Welcome to subscribe to the 36 Stratagems channel, comment or send us an email and you will get an ebook about 36 stratagems on sale. Take out the leading argument or asset of someone, steal someone's thunder. This is the very essence of indirect approach. Instead of attacking enemies' fighting forces, the attacks are directed against his ability to wage war. To stop boiling water in a pot, you can achieve this by placing firewood under the pot. Boiling and cold water are common occurrences in daily life. To make the water in the pot boil, you need to light a fire at the bottom of the pot and add firewood. Conversely, if you want to prevent the water from boiling, you can add cold water to the pot or remove the firewood from beneath it. These actions represent drastic measures. However, it is important to note that even if the boiling subsides momentarily when cold water is added, the water will eventually boil again. This does not provide a permanent solution. The key lies in addressing the situation at the bottom of the pot. Water boils because of the fire underneath, and the fire requires fuel. By fundamentally eliminating the basis or dependence of water boiling, you can effectively stop the boiling process. In both ancient and modern warfare, logistics support, particularly the provision of grain and supplies, serves as the foundation for troop survival and combat effectiveness. Thus, the saying "the soldiers and horses have not moved, and the grain and grass come first" holds true. When Cao faced Yuan Shao in a direct confrontation, he realized that he might not be able to defeat Yuan Shao's forces head-on. To overcome this challenge, Cao devised a clever stratagem. He burned down Yuan Shao's grain depots and cut off his supply lines, leading to a significant defeat of Yuan Shao's army. During the Eastern Han Dynasty, there was a military officer named Wu Han who was appointed as a secretary. Once, when the enemy launched a night attack on the military camp, the soldiers in the camp panicked. However, Wu Han remained calm and composed, lying in bed without showing any signs of panic. When the soldiers heard of Wu Han's calmness, their own emotions stabilized, and the camp became quiet. Seizing this opportunity, Wu Han selected elite and brave soldiers to counterattack overnight, driving the enemy into retreat. This was not a direct resistance against the enemy's fierce momentum, but rather a stratagem to eliminate the root cause of their attack. To solve a problem, it is essential to address it at its root. In military affairs, this often involves cutting off the enemy's supply sources, destroying the conditions on which the enemy relies, or disintegrating their morale. When the enemy possesses overwhelming strength and direct confrontation is not feasible, it is important to use strategies to weaken their momentum, yielding to them initially, and then exploiting their weaknesses. In love, the battlefield, shopping malls, or the political arena, there are countless ways to win the battle. When direct confrontation is impossible, it is necessary to weaken the root cause of the enemy's strength or disrupt their advantageous position. By doing so, the problem can be solved effectively and tactfully. In the next episode, we will start the 20th strategy. If you want to listen, please subscribe to this channel and you won't get lost.